With the Control and Shift keys down, drag to rotate a puck. Now, with the cursor beyond the boundaries of the puck, release the mouse button to shoot, like a slingshot. The greater the stretch of the cursor spring, the stronger the shot. From the Add, Remove control, choose the Projectile Forecast option. This option is on by default. This toggles on or off a 2.5-second forecast of the puck motion when gravity is on. Note that forecasts are not made for pucks attached to other objects via springs or joints. Press the Control, Shift, and L keys together to lock the shooting feature. Then you can simply drag and release to shoot. Use the B key to toggle fine movement positioning of the cursor, helpful for carefully aiming a shot. The forecast also models the effects of translational drag. A state capture is made at the time of release of each shot. These captures can be restored, Alt-B, back 1, and Alt-N, forward 1.